Hello students, today I am introducing the new topic in class 11 in the subject mathematics. The topic is sets. All the students are well known about the set theory in lower classes. On this set theory, the German mathematician George Cantor he has solved the problems of trigonometric series and he gave idea about the sets. What is set? Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Means objects should be well-defined. For example, suppose n. You know what is n? N is the set of natural numbers. We take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. These numbers are defined numbers. Means every element is defined. It is the collection of all natural numbers. The first condition is that objects, elements and members of the set are synonymous terms. Means the terms should be of the same kind. Means in the set of natural numbers, all numbers should be natural numbers. We cannot take 0 in the set of natural number. It does not belong to n. Therefore, it says that objects, elements and members of a set are synonymous terms. Second condition is that sets are usually denoted by capital letters. All the sets are denoted by capital letters. For example, set Z. Z is equal to the set of all integers. All integers means positive integers, negative integers, 0 means like this, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, like this. The sets is denoted by capital letter. The set of integers is denoted by capital Z. Set of natural number is denoted by capital N. Set of real numbers, set of rational number set means Q. Q is equal to the set of all x such that x is equal to P upon Q. What is P belongs to Z. What is Q belongs to Z. And Q should be not equal to 0. The set of rational numbers is denoted by Q. All sets are denoted by the capital letters. Third one is element of the set are represented by small letters A, B, C, D like this. Elements of a set means these are the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the elements -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 are the elements. Suppose set of English alphabets A, B, C, D like this up to Z. Means we write the elements by small letters. These are also denoted by we can denote them by small letters. Then next we see the example of the sets. The examples of the set. Let me take one example that set of equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Set of equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, this set can be written as x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. minus 2 can be factorized as minus 2 and minus 1. Therefore x square plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. X we take common, x plus 2 minus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0, means x minus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0, means x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 2, means x is equal to 1 and minus 2, means set of equation x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 0, means we get the set as minus 1 and minus 2. This is the example of a set. Otherwise, we take another example, set of all cards in the pack of 52 cards, means otherwise we take example, set of all natural numbers, set of all integers. Then we see in the class 11, we can write as the set of all boys in class 11 science, or set of all girls in class 11 science. Otherwise we take set of all even numbers or even natural numbers less than 10, means this set will be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to suppose 9, or we write this as set of natural numbers less than 10, means 1 is less than or equal to x less than, it is less than 10. What is x? X belongs to n. These are the examples of it, but it should be well defined. Suppose A is equal to set of all best batsmen in the world. Whether, tell me, is it a set? A is equal to set of all best batsmen in the world. This we cannot say that this is a set. This cannot be a set. Why? Because the elements of the set are not well defined. The set is not well defined. We cannot define that which players are best, and we cannot write best batsman in the world in the field of cricket. Therefore, it is not a set. Set means what? Set means elements should be well defined. Here also we have written set of all even natural numbers, means elements are defined. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, or we write this one. The set, any set can be written in the form of roster form, and set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. This is one, this is second. It means representation of sets. Representation of sets. We can represent any set in two types. Number one, roster form and set builder form. What do you mean by roster form? In roster form, the elements of a set are written in commas. Means set of natural numbers less than 10. Means elements we write n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9. This form is roster form. Roster form means all elements we can write in the form of elements, and these elements are separated by giving commas. Then second one is we can represent any set in set builder form. Here explanation is there. Suppose the set here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This set we write in set builder form is n is equal to the set of all natural numbers, all natural numbers, all natural numbers, all natural numbers less than 10. We take one example. We take one example regarding roster form and set builder form. Write the set. Example. Write this set. Write this set x such that x is a positive integer. X is a positive integer. X is a positive integer and x square less than 40. X square less than 40 in roster form. In roster form means we have to write this set in roster form. This set is given in set builder form. This set is given in set builder form. We have to convert this in roster form. Then we try to solve this example. X is a positive integer. Set of positive integer means Z means like this. Z plus means positive integers. Positive integers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. Positive integers. And in roster form we take x square is less than 40. X square is less than 40 means we take a is equal to x square. X square means that should be positive. 1 square is 1. 2 square 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, then 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49, which is greater than 40. That's why we cannot take that number. Means we take the set of all x and z. X is equal to 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, 36 less than or equal to 1, x set of all x and z. X is equal to x is a positive integer means directly write 1, then 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6 like this. Means a is equal to this element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements. What is this? X is a positive integer or we write a is equal to set of all x such that 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. What is x? X belongs to z plus. We write this one. Then we take another example. Write the set. Write the set. Example. Write the set. Write the set 1 upon 2, 2 upon 3, 3 6 upon 7 in the set builder form. In the set builder form. In the set builder form. There, that is this set is given half, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 6, 6 upon 7 in roster form. This set is given in roster form. It is given in roster form. We have to convert this set in set builder form. Set builder form means we have to write the explanation of the set. What will be the explanation of the set? Here 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 means what is 1 upon 2? 1 upon 2 we write 1 upon 1 plus 1. What is 2 upon 3? 2 upon 3 write 2 upon 2 plus 1. Then 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 means 3 upon 3 plus 1. Then 5. 4 upon 5. 4 upon 4 plus 1. And last one is 6 upon 7 means 6 upon 6 plus 1. Means in general we write n upon n plus 1. What is n? N means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Natural numbers means 1 is less than or equal to n, less than or equal to 6. 1 is natural number. Means in set builder form, we write A is equal to the set x such that x is equal to n upon n plus 1. What is there? N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means n is equal to 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 6. What is n? N is natural number belongs to n. In this way, we write the set which was in roster form, we have converted in set builder form. Then next one is finite set. Next term is finite set. Finite set. Finite set. Finite set means the elements of the set should be countable. Means we take one example. Set of odd natural numbers less than 9, less than 8 means n is equal to odd natural numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7 like this. Only 4 elements are there. Means number of elements are finite. Number of elements are countable. Means finite set is a set in which elements are countable. Elements should be countable. Then second set is infinite set. What do you mean by infinite set? Infinite set means it is obvious that the set which is not finite, we say that it is infinite set, or the numbers are not countable, numbers are infinite. Means set of all prime numbers, or set of all even numbers, or set of all natural numbers. These all sets are infinite set. Then next term is equal set. Next term is equal set. Equal set means suppose the set A, we take a non-empty set, suppose 1, 2, 3. Set B is equal to 2 upon 2, then 4 upon 2, then 6 upon 2, like this. Tell me whether A and B are equal sets or not. Equal set means the element should be equal in any order. It should not be the same order. Corresponding element should be equal. It is not that. Element should be equal means here set A has the elements 1, 2, 3. Here also 2 upon 2 means 1, 4 upon 2 means 2, 6 upon 2 means 3. Yes, elements are equal. Therefore, set A, we can write set A is equal to set B. Otherwise, suppose set X is equal to suppose 6 to 3 and set Y is equal to 6 to 3, like this. Are these sets are equal? No. Why? Because first set X has only one element. I have not put here comma. We have not separated these elements. Therefore, set X has only one element, 623. But set Y, the elements are separated by giving commas. Therefore, here 3 elements are there. 3 elements are there means 6, 2, 3. Therefore, corresponding elements means elements are not equal. Therefore, members are not equal. Therefore, we write X is not equal to Y. Two sets are not equal. Here, set A is equal to set B. Why? Since the elements are equal. The equal set means a set in which all elements of both the sets are equal. Then, next one is empty set. Next one is empty set. Empty set. Just I give one example to you. The number set of natural numbers less than 1. Set of natural numbers less than 1. You know. Set of natural numbers starts from 1. Therefore, in this set, suppose y is the set of natural numbers less than 1. Means y is equal to no element will be there. Means set will be empty. Empty set means null set or void set. Void set. This set can be written as empty set like this and null set. Means in empty set no elements are there. We write this one as this empty set of 5. Next one is subset of a given set. I take one example. A is equal to suppose 1, 2, 3. Set B is equal to suppose 1, 2. Here, elements of the set B are present in set A. Elements of the set B are present in set A. Means B can be said as subset of A. Why B is subset of A? Because elements of B, one belongs to B, one belongs to A, one belongs to B, one belongs to A. Other two belongs to B, two belongs to A. Means subset of a set is the set whose elements are present in this set. A Tell me whether A is subset of B. No. Why? Because the element 3 belongs to A, but 3 does not belongs to B. Therefore, A is not subset of B. Subset of a set is B. B is the subset of A. A is not subset of B. Then second, you solve one example. You solve one example. Write down all subsets of the given set ABC. All subsets of the given set ABC means how many subsets are there? How many subsets are there? We count as, let A is equal to A, B, C, this set. Then 5 subsets of A is equal to 5. 5 means empty set. Empty set is always subset of A. Second, set A. Yes, A is present here also. Set B. Yes, set C. Then elements having the set AB, elements having the set AC, elements having the set BC means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last one is the set itself ABC means 8. How many subsets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 subsets are there. Means any set having element 3 has subsets. Total subsets are 8. Means the general formula to find the subsets. Here elements are 3. Total elements are 3, and total subsets is equal to 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. If any set has 2 elements, then number of subsets will be 2 square, that is 4. If any set has one element, suppose one element, then subsets are 5, and the set itself means 2 raised to power 1 is 2. If any set has 2 elements, then subsets are 2 square is equal to 4. Any set has 3 elements, then subsets are like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 2 cube is equal to 8. In general, we write if set has n elements, then number of subsets are 2 raised to power n. Dear students, in this class, just I want to summarize this class. In this class, what we have seen, the definition of the set. Definition of the set. Set means collection of all well-known objects. Objects should be well-known, well-defined. Objects should be well-defined. Second one, types to represent the sets in roster form. How we can write in set builder form? How we have to write the set? Third one is equal sets, empty sets, and then subsets. Now you do one more. You refer exercise 1.1, and solve the problems. In next class, I will take all the examples or the examples which are difficult in this exercise. Now you refer this class and NCERT textbook also. If you have any problem, then you can ask me on WhatsApp number also.